Make up a JJVLO, Toboli, make up a JJVLO, Toboli, Mega Glanyaji, Toboli, Mega Nuanyaji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Siona Blow.
Hi guys, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Yes, today I share with you how to make Shito the authentic and easy way. You will love it, and my junior sister is going to help you with the making of the Shito, trust me. And don't mind how the house flies are roaming about in this video. It's just normal, okay? We are filming this video outside and it is what it is, right? So my mom is also helping out as well, and as you can see, we are cutting the onions and also making sure that we remove any bad ones from the onions as well. Okay, I didn't plan to film this video, so you just have to watch it how you are seeing it. Okay, my junior sister is in the boarding house and I always make shit up for her. So today I told her that no, I'm not going to do it for her again. She should also involve herself in making the shito. So that's why you are seeing her preparing everything today. So now let's enjoy how she's going to make this shito by herself, and the outcome, I tell you, she really did a good job. And if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so I am washing these onions by myself, and I also added in some garlic and ginger as well. I'm going to blend everything together, right? So now let's wash it until it's nice and very clean. Right, so after cleaning the onions, ginger and garlic, we also go ahead and wash some green pepper as well. If you add green pepper to your shito recipe, you will love it, so kindly incorporate it in your shito recipe anytime you want to make shito. Alright, so we are done with everything. So next we're going to heat up some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil for this recipe, and shito really requires for oil, I mean a lot of oil. So we're going to allow it to heat up very well, and we'll go in with our blended onions, ginger, garlic, and we also go in with the blended green pepper as well. We will stir everything together and allow it to fry until the water drains out very well.
Make up a JJVLO, Toboli, make up a JJVLO, Toboli, Nega Glanyaji, Toboli, Nega Nuanyaji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Siona Blow, Devielo, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Devielo, Toboli.
Alright, so we've been cooking this onions for about 40 minutes now, and as you can see, it has changed in color very well, and that's what we're looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with some natural spices, that is dried rosemary and bay leaves. You can also omit this process totally. Alright, moving forward, I'll also go in with some tomato paste as well. I will stir everything well and allow it to cook for extra 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, shito really needs a lot of time and patience as well, so gradually we will get there. Okay, so now let's stir everything together and allow it to cook once more until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So now that the tomatoes is also ready, as you can see, it has really darkened up a little bit, and that's what we're looking for. So next she will go in with some fish powder and also shrimp powder. While that is done, she will stir it once more and also go in with some seasoning. For the seasoning, use any seasoning of your choice. So she used some stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder, and also some salt to taste. You don't need to do a lot. All right, stir everything well and allow it to cook again for about 15 minutes. And we also want to cook until oil begins to settle on top beautifully. All right, so now let's cook until it's nice and ready. Alright, so now oil is beginning to settle on top beautifully, just the way you see it on the screens right now, and that indicates that the shito is almost ready. And as you can see, it's beginning to darken up very well as well. So the last thing that we're going to add to this sauce is pepper, and I'm going to be using Kivu hot pepper. This pepper is really hot, and that's how she wants it. So now let's stir everything together and allow it to cook once more for about 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards the sauce should be ready. Alright, so now the shito is ready. As you can see, oil has settled on top beautifully and it's looking all dark as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian shito or black chili sauce recipe. It turned out so good, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.